fresh fruit and vegetables and selling them at the market.
Good eyesight is something all children deserve. Thank you, Emma. Through community support and expanding resources, Project Smile makes a difference in the vision needs and dental health of all at-risk children in Poudre School District. Last year, the Fort Collins Lions Club brought their KidSight program on board and implemented digital vision screenings at our 3 participating elementary schools, as well as throughout Poudre School District.
As someone who works in the front office, I see a tremendous amount of glasses that come into our office and that are broken. And I recognize the need for so many of our kids who need glasses and haven't yet been identified. And that has had a tremendous impact for kids just to see the board.
It's very important to find if a child has a vision problem in the early years by this screening, because a little child cannot tell us if they have any kind of a vision problem. So our screening is often the vehicle, the entry-level vehicle toward getting that child's eye professionally examined.
After the digital screenings are evaluated, the Lions Club contacts the schools so they can notify parents that a vision problem is suspected. The school inquires to see if the family has Medicaid or a family eye doctor. If no resources are available, a voucher for an eye exam and glasses at Walmart are provided for the child. 704 students were screened this year and 119 were referred for vision services.
Project Smile has changed the lives of children and their families in so many ways.
There has been a tremendous impact here at Putnam with Project Smile. Kids are excited about brushing, they're excited about learning how to take care of themselves. So not only are we creating lifelong learners, we're creating lifelong brushers.
A lot of our students come in without having prior background brushing their teeth, or they've never gone to the dentist before. So this is really a first exposure to brushing teeth and learning how to brush your teeth. When they're done with the quarter, we send toothbrushes home with them and toothpaste. And when they go home with those things, they do show them to their younger siblings or to their mom and dad. And so I do think that Project Smile impacts kids in the classroom, but also at home.
Project Smile is in its 6th year of teaming up with the Health District of Northern Larimer County, local dentists and hygienists to provide annual screenings and dental hygiene education. In 2007, 274 children were served at Irish. Through the years, the program has grown to include Putnam, Laurel, Centennial, and referred youth district-wide, as well as La Familia. 1,202 students received dental screenings this year.
I think it has an impact on the kids. It factors into their self-esteem, but I think equally as important, it factors in their general well-being. I can imagine a lot of these kids are sitting through school in pain with infection and not getting treated. So by getting the areas of decay treated, it definitely helps their overall self-esteem and their general health and well-being.
Project Smile brings positive results. The dental education and supplies children use and take home after screenings have tremendously impacted family wellness, decreasing the urgent dental care referrals from an initial 31% to 4% this year.
My job is to then get all that information from the people who did the screening, see what kind of treatment those children need, and then I go through all of our care providers. We have some great pediatric dentists in town, general dentists in town that are on board with Project Smile that have helped so much in the past, and I just call them up and say, hey, we've got a kiddo that needs some treatment.
Community partners working with Project Smile to help children logged 3,000 volunteer hours. This isn't just our Project Smile board, but included 28 dentists, 26 hygienists and dental assistants, and 32 CSU pre-dental students. This is a collaborative effort for the kids that the North Fort Collins Business Association started, and we invite you to support.
When the business community came to the dentist and they said, hey, we will raise money, can we pay for dentistry for these needy children? What they didn't really understand is that dentists have been doing pro bono or charity work in their offices for a very long period of time. A large proportion of dentists do that. That's why the money that's been raised has been leveraged because the dentists are working for a very low rate compared to their usual fees, or they're doing it for free.
It's amazing. Yeah, I mean, you know, we're normal people and we just needed a little bit of help and wouldn't have been able to do it without Project Smile.
The kid that I saw recently, she had a kind of a strange situation that she had all of her teeth. She had 20 baby teeth, but all 20 of those teeth had decay enough where they all had to be restored. Project Smile paid for that whole thing, and that child had an immediate, instantaneous turnaround. It was just amazing. You know, this was a child that came in and she was timid and she was holding her mouth over her teeth and you know, no smile and no interaction. And when I saw her after the hospital visit 2 weeks later, she was she was smiling and just outgoing, allowed us to take her photograph. It was just, yeah, that's why we're doing it. You know, that's what Project Smile is all about.
Won't you join our winning team? Your donation will help us reach our goal to educate and improve vision and dental health and provide necessary services to all qualifying students in Poudre School District. Generous contributions allow Project Smile to impact lives, decrease pain, and improve wellness, to give children better opportunities to excel in the classroom and build brighter futures. Please, give as generously as you can. Thank you.